Bautista, and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, modern, 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So this property has a total floor area of about 280 square meters and a total lot area of about 208 square meters. In addition, it has 3 levels and a very elegant facade. Another notable point about this property is that it has fast access towards President's Avenue and Sucat as well as SM City BF, giving you fast access towards Skyway, Makati, and EDSA, and the rest of Metro Manila. Now join us as we begin this tour. Let's go! From your pedestrian gate, you immediately have, to your left, a covered carport area for 3 vehicles. So this area is excellent, especially if you have large vehicles. This has been measured even for SUVs or vans. So you can have 1, 2, 3 vehicles here. The property just finished construction. That's why we still have some materials here that are going to get cleared out soon. But this gives you an idea on the scale of the space. And then, of course, to your right from the pedestrian gate, you have a landscaped area. I love this space. You have an tiled pathway here at the side of the house and all that greenery. And here you have your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your open concept living and dining space. You have cove lighting, and the first thing that I noticed upon entering this home is that there's so much natural light due to the large windows spanning this side of the property. This area is where you can have your living room set, and having this large floor-to-ceiling glass window at the front of the house right beside the main door adds to the facade and also gives you all that light. Now from your living space, let's now take a look at your dining area. You also have cove lighting here, a Daikin inverter split type air conditioning unit, and to give you further ventilation, this sliding door opens up towards the side of the house. Let's take a quick look. We have such a relaxing breeze going right now. You have all these plants spanning the entire side of the house. And this is an entire tiled area, and you can walk all around the house. And from your dining area, I just want to quickly point out, you have fast access towards your powder room. I like textured tile on the left, which is a great contrast to the tiling on the other side of the room, and that nice lighted mirror as well. Even a nice touch is having this indirect lighting underneath the countertop. Now from your living space and dining area, let's now explore your modern kitchen. Now this kitchen space is already built with your microwave, oven, which are Elba branded. You also have an Elba branded range hood and cooktop as well. You also have a splash tile here, which is a nice contrast to the marble design of the countertop here. Lots of storage. You see, this is all completely brand new. The wrapping is still here. This is an LG branded refrigerator. And from your kitchen space, you also have a view of your additional auxiliary area. You have a heavy wash sink here and an additional cooktop on this side. Additional storage, and I love that it already has a Samsung branded washer and dryer included. So it's already set up with the layout. You have your circuit breakers on this side. And let's explore the back of the house from here. I just love how breezy the entire area is. And you have your landscape area wrapping around the corner of the house. And on the other side, you have your cistern here for storage of water and an additional space on this side. So here at the corner of the property, an idea that you could potentially implement upon purchasing the home is you can have this space as the area where you can hang clothes. And this is where you have the staff room. I'll step in so you see the size. Enough for a single bed. You have a window also for ventilation. And then you have the staff bathroom here. Let's head on in. Now let's explore the first bedroom in the house, which is right here. It has a very minimalist feel with cove lighting. And then the walls also are a great contrast to the flooring, which is a gray wooden design, which also matches the baseboards. And the aesthetic of the flooring also matches your cabinetry. So this room is excellent if you need to have a room downstairs for a senior member of the family, or you just like to have an additional den room on top of the living space out there. But in case you really want to use this as a bedroom, it already has an ensuite bathroom. You have floor to ceiling tiling, cove lighting even, and a nice lighted mirror as well. It already has a Daikin split type inverter air conditioning unit included. And then let's now explore the second level of the home. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of the home. Just to point out, you have natural wood for the railings of the stairs, tempered glass also for the barriers here. Very well built. And let's begin by taking a look at the second bedroom right here. So I love the size. It's a corner room. You have cove lighting, split type air conditioning, and then you have your provision here for cable and LAN. So you can have your television set right here. Or you can reverse it as well. You can have your TV on this side and then the bed on the other side. And plenty of space left over here, and you also have built-in cabinetry. I like the finish of the cabinets. It feels very pulido. And also, the heights of the doors are quite noticeable. And here you have your ensuite bathroom. Also, this property has the morning sun coming from this side and then the afternoon sun on the other side. That's why once you come to about 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon, this bedroom is already quite cool. You can see the sunlight coming from the west side of the property here. And now let's take a look here at the third bedroom. So one thing that I've observed about this property is that all of the rooms have a nice size, meaning they can all accommodate even potentially a queen-sized bed. Another thing is I like the ceiling height. And you also have built-in cabinetry all along this side to maximize the space upon entry to the room. And then here you have your ensuite bathroom for your third bedroom. Floor to ceiling tiling. Another observation for this property is I love how well made the edges are of these recessed spaces where you can have display items and also toiletries. That shows how well built the property is. And now it's time to take a look at your master bedroom, which is also your fourth bedroom. So there's a significant difference in terms of the size of this property. You can easily have a king-sized bed here with plenty of space left over for an entertainment console on this side. And this is also where you can have access to your display screen for your CCTV, which already has wiring to the common areas of the property. So you have your closet space right here. And of course, your bathroom. And now we've taken a look so far at 4 bedrooms, 1 on the ground floor and 3 here at the second level. It's now time to explore the third level of the house where you have your 5th bedroom. Let's go. So even if you turn off all the lights in the hallway in the afternoon, there's no problem in terms of the lighting because of this window giving you light during the afternoon. And you also have right here a nice area where you can potentially have a nice light fixture, even just a small one, to add to your interior design. And right here you have your 5th bedroom. Now, immediately you see that this space has been maximized for additional storage. And you have a nice elevated bedroom right here with a great view of the surrounding community. This is a very peaceful, quiet community. And this room already has an air conditioning unit once again. And of course, in the afternoons, you can easily have some curtains here for shade. But this can also be an excellent family den room. If you only need 4 bedrooms, this can be a great entertainment room as well. And as a guest room, this is also excellent since it has its own bathroom. And to cap off the tour, let's take a look at one of the pleasant features of this property. You have an additional balcony space here at the 3rd level. It's a completely covered balcony. You have this large window so that you also have that ambient light going into the staircase area. And at the same time, you can easily fit a table and a couple of chairs here. This is a nice, relaxing space. Another nice thing about this balcony is it barely has any visibility from street level. So this gives you plenty of privacy, while at the same time, you have an elevated view of the street and the surrounding community. And that caps off our quick house tour. you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram and Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.